Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So, hello, I'm back. I don't know if you could tell by the way I sound, but I have been sick this past week. I've been feeling like absolute horse, and yeah, it just hasn't been fun. I haven't been sick in like over a year. God, my hair's a mess. I haven't been sick in a really long time. Everyone around me was getting sick, but I'm like, you know what? No, I'm good. I've been taking my supplements and everything. Haven't been eating the best. Clearly it shows because I got sick. I don't think I'm going to live the rest of my life not getting sick just because I'm vegan, but I could definitely... I should definitely be eating better. Today's not going to really be one of those days, but you know. I'm still getting over this sickness. God, yo, my hair is so fucked right now. I'm still trying to get over this, but I really missed making mukbangs. Like, it's been a couple weeks since my last video, and I miss it so freaking much. It is just, it's so therapeutic and fun for me. So I'm here. I made, these are leftover empanadas that I made last night. I have a video that I will put here. Here? I think it's here. I made a mukbang and I left the recipe down below on that video. So freaking good. Vegan empanadas. These are just little home fries potatoes and then some spring mix with a Asian sesame dressing. And then here, this little thing we have going on is mayo, ketchup, sriracha, and then I sprinkled some bacon pieces on top because I just love that with my fries. Make sure it doesn't shake. That should be good. And to drink, brought back the LaCroix. Got it in coconut flavor this time, which was really good. That is so good. So bubbly too. I'm putting my hair up. Fuck this, looking like It the Clown. I can't. Sorry, you're just gonna have to deal with this. I'm not feeling the best today. I had to go to work. I had the past 3 days off. 2 of them I had off, but one of them I had to get covered because there was no way I was gonna work. I just felt so bad. And it sucks because every time I would get sick, it starts with my throat. It would be the worst sore throat ever. Like, it would feel like my throat's closing, and it started that way Tuesday. And then I thought it was because, like, dry air. Because I sleep with the fan blowing on me and with my AC down at, like, 72. That's what I thought it was, but next day it was even worse. Then it kind of just like worked its way up my nose, and past 2 days, like my eyes, like I just took a shower. I don't know if you could see, but all around my eyes is like super raw. Like I rubbed them completely raw. They were so dry. It was terrible. I was like, yo, I can't do this shit again. I don't remember it being this bad. So I just hosted today, which I was definitely grateful for since I don't have the strength or the energy to be, you know, waiting tables. But tomorrow is Sunday and it's our busiest day. So I'm gonna be hustling and bustling. Hopefully I am almost 100% by tomorrow because I really need money. Alright, I'm gonna, you know what? It should be good enough. It should be cooled down. Those are really big too. For the meat though, like I said, I'm gonna leave the video, and in that video down below there's a link to the recipe that I got it from, which I did veganize because that recipe is not vegan. But for the meat this time, I went to Aldi and got their meatless meatballs. So good, the best. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. I feel like I'm making all types of mouth sounds because I just sound very nasally. I could just like hear the noise. If it bugs you out, I'm sorry. Check out my other videos. I don't think they're that bad. But if you like eating noises, then come to the right place. Mm-mm-mm. I could live off of empanadas and potatoes and greens. Am I kidding? It's so good. Such a weird combination, but it's like a leftovers. I might title this just leftover mukbang, because that's what it is. Besides the greens, but and the dressing for this I got also at Aldi. It's their Simply Nature brand, like the organic sesame ginger, I think it's what it's called, or Asian ginger, something like that. Really good. But besides me being sick for the past week, I'm trying to think the last time I made a video. It was like 2-3 weeks ago, something like that. I don't really remember. But shortly after I uploaded that, I don't remember when I uploaded it. I heard one of my friends and old coworker passed away. And so that kind of just like threw me in the ultimate funk for like a week. It just put me in such a depressing mood. And it's crazy because I don't know if it was in that video or one before that when I was talking about Mac Miller. I mentioned how I just hate death, like whether I know the person or not, but knowing this person and working with them for over a year, hanging out with them and stuff, it just like hit home. And it really, like, I don't know, broke my heart. So I was just in a funk from that, and then we went to his celebration of life, and that was amazing. Seeing everybody, his family, like my old coworkers. It was sad, but it was awesome, and it was kind of closure for me. So it's awesome though, because he has been in my dreams I think 3 times now. Like, that's crazy. And I believe in like when you go to the other side, when you pass away, I believe like visiting, I don't know, I just believe in all of that. Like when someone visits you in your dreams, it's them saying hello, like things like that. So it was really cool to see him in my dreams like 3 times. Mm. But yeah, I hope you guys have been doing really good. Sorry I haven't been consistent lately uploading. I really want to be. And I'm going to. I just want to feel my absolute best. And although I'm not feeling good now, like I said, excuse me, I really wanted to make a video because I missed you guys. I missed filming all of this. Like, all it entails. I missed it. Even the editing process, I missed that too. I should have made 2 of these, honestly. So good. I know a lot of you, or a good amount, are wanting me to post a burping video. That's coming. Now that my throat feels 10 times better, it's coming soon. I don't know with these or something else, but don't you worry. Oh, this was so good. Look how crappy it looks, honestly. Like these potatoes, just everything together. The bacon bits, I love these bacon bits. In case you didn't know, these are vegan. Both the McCormick bacon pieces, bits, and chunks. So freaking good. I cannot believe it's almost like October. Like, I feel like September just started. And you know, once October gets here, the holidays are gonna fly the by. So sad. It's so exciting. I don't know. I haven't started decorating. My plan was to decorate starting September 1st. It's now the end of September. I think I'm for sure going to next week, like, for sure. Also, I've been looking at, like, potential homes for when we move out of this place, like, next April or May. My brother and I took a tour at this one place, which was, like, so nice. Like, hotel resort style apartments, and they were extremely nice. Very expensive, though. So I was kind of like set on it. I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna do whatever it takes so I can, you know, make the monthly rent, whatever. Of course, it would be Brandon and I together. So I was like dead set on it. I don't know why I'm eating this out with my hands, but the fork's not really helping too much. But then Brandon talked to his mom about it and was like, sounds nice, but if you're gonna be paying that much money, might as well be paying a mortgage and own your own place. So now we're pretty set on buying a place next year. So right now, we're working on our credit, like paying down our debt. We don't have much as it is, but we want our credit to be like as good as it possibly can by, you know, 7 months from now. So we're doing that for the moment, and then we're gonna start saving everything we can. And yeah, most likely buying something next summer. That's freaking nuts. And yeah, we're excited. It would be such an awesome journey to start, like buying a house together and maintaining it, just all that adult stuff, like, you know, it's exciting. Right now, fixing our credit is number one. Because I don't want January, February to get here and our credit be shit, and also us not have any money down saved. That would just be crazy. So we're starting as soon as possible. And yeah, I think that's all the updates. Oh, jeez. I'm sorry if this video is like very low energy from me. I just feel like crap. I look like crap. Everything is crap besides the food and drink. Like, I just feel and look so shitty. I wish I was able to leave like those messages on YouTube, but I can't. I think you have to have a certain amount of subscribers, which is fine, but this is kind of just like an update video. We'll get back to the normal, decent / good quality very soon. I already feel so much better, and yeah, it's Saturday now, so I'm definitely gonna film a couple videos next week. I'm gonna film a burping video and another mukbang. But what kind? I'm sorry you have to get this close-up angle. But yeah, so that was my updates. I'm back. I'm sorry I left you guys. Just been going through it. I'm very glad to be back. Can't wait to throw out a couple videos for you next week. I think I'm gonna start working on editing better. Looking better too, fuck. But I don't know, make my editing a little bit better. Not really sure how I'm gonna do that, but yeah, I just want the quality to be better. I don't have I don't have internet yet, which means I can't use my camera. I can use it, but the editing software I use is on my computer, So if I tried uploading it somewhere else, like on someone else's computer, I don't know how that would turn out, you know what I mean? I don't know what I'm doing half the time. So yeah, be on the lookout for a burping video and another mukbang. I should be back to my A100 self again by then. Cannot wait. I'm literally going to be eating greens every single day. Get my immune system all the way up there. We bought where we do a lot of our grocery shopping at Winn-Dixie. Our Winn-Dixie has, like, where the bananas are, there's like a side section for like ripe bananas that they keep bagged for dirt cheap. So we literally got like 4 big bunches of bananas for like under $5. And like our freezer is filled with bananas. Like, yes, making banana and ice cream and smoothie bowls. I cannot wait. That might even be a mukbang, like a nice decent sized bowl of like banana and ice cream with granola and some fruit and chia seeds, coconut flakes on top. That sounds really good. I also got some like turquoise spirulina that we can add in there for color, make it like a mermaid bowl. Ooh, yes. Yeah, that sounds good. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you are doing really good. Thank you for sticking around and supporting me, and I hope you're enjoying this channel. Like I said, I want to start like producing better videos. I'm not really sure how I'm going to go about that yet. I may just have to figure out a way to get back to using my camera because that quality is compared to this. And yeah, be on the lookout for those 2 videos next week. And I think that is it. I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you are in this lovely world, and I will see you very soon. Bye.